Here's how to stop Gemini from opening when you hold the power button on your Samsung phone. Now here you can see I have a Samsung Galaxy. If I press and hold the power button, you can see it pops up with Gemini. And I don't want it to pop up with Gemini. I want it to pop up with the power button to turn it off or restart. To do that, we're going to swipe up and tap on the Settings app. Now within here, it looks a little bit different depending on which phone you have. So I'm just going to tap on search and just search for side button and tap on that. Now you can see a double press, you can turn this on, but we're talking about the long press and it's currently set to Digital Assistant or Gemini. Now you can switch this to Bixby if you wanted to, but most people probably want to switch this to a power off menu. And now I'll show you what it looks like if you press and hold. It gives you the ability to power off or restart, lockdown mode, emergency call, etc. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.